Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you to my audience. I am Abdurrafid Farun Ghani from Medan State University. I would like to present our study with the title Design and Implementation Automatic Math Version the Qibla in Vehicle Using Microcontroller Arduino. At the 8th Annual International Seminar on Trend, Science and Science Education 2021. The first is Introduction. Salah is an obligation for a Muslim. This opinion suitable to Al-Quran Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 43. In the implementation of Salah, there are some obligations in the implementation. One of them is facing to Qibla. This opinion suitable to Al-Quran Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 150. So, from this opinion, scholars have an opinion that facing the Qibla is a valid condition for prayer. And prayer is said to be perfect if the prayer is facing the Qibla. However, when Muslim pray in vehicle that goes the Qibla relatively change when the vehicle is turned direction. So, from this problem, we need the product which can be used Muslim when pray in vehicle. The next is the research methods. The research use design methods and experimental methods. Step used in this research is planning device, design device, examination device, and research and discussion. Examination device do with three instrumental, namely is Qibla correction, product quality, and consumer satisfaction. The next is research and discussion. The first result is Qibla correction. The Qibla correction test is a tool test that is carried out to determine the magnitude of the tool's uncertainty value of the Qibla direction. Qibla correction test is carried out by talking the value of the degree correction on the LCD screen and comparing it with the degree found in the smartphone application. Examination of device is carried out 5 times the test routes. The test results of the tool are shown in the table. Qibla stabilization tool product already have an accurate degree of Qibla direction. This evidence by the value of the measurements uncertainty less than 5%, which is the maximum value of percentage error. The average Qibla correction value is 0.43%. This proves that the product has very good quality in terms of degrees of direction. The very good category shows that the product of this Qibla stabilization tool can be used for the general public. The second test is quality product. Quality product testing is carried out to determine the level of product effectiveness based on the observation of the test sample. Product quality testing was carried out 2 times. The first test was carried out using 5 samples and the second test by taking 7 samples. The first test, the quality of the product is in the very good category. This is evidenced by the percentage value on a question belonging to the category of stormy AG. In the second stage of testing, after making improvements obtained in the first test. Based on data obtained in the first stage of testing, in the second test, quality of the product obtained is in very good category. On the product display, you strongly agree that the Qibla stabilizer product has a neatly organized product. Third test is consumer satisfaction. In the first test of testing for consumer satisfaction, the Qibla stabilizing tool prototype was in the very good category. So, based on this, it can be said the Qibla stabilization tool can be applied to vehicle. So, the conclusion is, in the study, a tool has been developed that can help Muslims face the Qibla when praying in a vehicle, even though the vehicle is turned direction. This tool consists of several components including Arduino microcontroller, GPS module, compass module, and DC motor. Okay, that is all for me. Thank you very much for your great attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi